No matter if you are a fresher or already in any job, these are some free and the best job portals in India for both searching for private and government or so-called Sarkari jobs. Monster.com, one of the largest online job portals in the world with more than 45 million users based in India. Monster India is the best job portal for international job listing. It is best for highly customized and experienced job seekers. They do have a huge base of verified employers. So, Monster India could be a best job portal for you. Now let's talk about Shine.com, one of the leading free online job search portals in India with more than 30 lakh job listing from small to big MNCs. This online job portal is best suited for senior level professionals mainly in the field of IT and banking. They also offer advanced solutions for good quality resume writings to their paid users. You can also apply for jobs and track your resume from their Android and iOS app. Naukri.com is undoubtedly the number one job portal in India for both fresher as well as experienced job seekers. Here comes Times Job is one of India's leading online job sites owned by the Times Group. The Times Job portal mainly focuses on jobs related to corporate sectors like BPO, IT and banking. TechGig.com, one of the community sites of Times Group, provides job-related technology and IT sectors. Times Job also has a huge candidate base and lists jobs from India and abroad, both for freshers and experienced. Here comes none other than Indeed. Indeed is an American employment listing website and has a worldwide presence. Indeed is basically a job aggregator site, means it crawls every other job search site, companies' career pages, job boards, and aggregate job listings from these sites. Therefore, it has more coverage than other job listing portals. Indeed.com has a more user base than Monster.com and more job listings than any other job portals in India. CutShot has also simplified the recruitment process both for employees and the employers. You can also check cutshot.com. Let the best companies in India compete to hire you. Get your perfect job in tech, product, marketing, sales, or job operation. InstaHire is the best advanced hiring platform based on artificial intelligence, enabling recruiter to hire top talent effortlessly. If you are looking for jobs, InstaHire connects you with curated opportunities based on your profile. If you are looking for a job in government sector, then SarkariNaukri.com is the best job portal to rely upon. You can find government jobs in banks, railways, HAL, HPCL, BHEL and many more through this SarkariNaukri.com. You can get latest and upcoming Sarkari job notification regarding central and state Sarkari Naukri of the week and the month on SarkariNaukri.com. Fresherworld.com has huge candidate base who are the first-time job seekers and looking for jobs in both private and government sectors. This free online job portal mainly job information providers and give you a direct link to the company's recruitment page. You can also register for free at freshersworld.com and get SMS and email alerts. So Fresherworld.com could be a best choice if you are a fresher and looking for a job. But if you are a fresher, nothing could beat your very own placement officer and training and placement cell. The placement cell plays a crucial role in locating job opportunities for you when you are in college by keeping in touch with reputed firms and industrial establishments. The placement cell operates around the year to facilitate contacts between companies and graduates. The number of students placed through the campus interview is continuously rising. So, Training and Placement Cell is the best job portal. So do try to find a job when you are in college yourself. Make a good reputation with Training and Placement Cell and start your preparation today. Such one site is killerlaunch.com. Killer Launch is one of the best job sites in India that act as a bridge between recruiters and job seekers. The platform has uniquely been curated to serve as a comprehensive for both student and young professionals looking for employment opportunities in their preferred location. So this is also one of the best job portal in India. It provides you the platform to search both for internships and jobs. It helps you to create your resume through HireReddit and build a free resume maker, glance through the company reviews, and filter out your job internship preferences easily. How can someone miss LinkedIn? The social media of the professionals has served as a platform to network with your colleagues and expand your professional network with mutual networks. It has also served as a reliable platform for as another best job sites in India that provides its users with job matching their skill requirement via LinkedIn. LinkedIn serves as the extended version of your resume where your connection endorses your skill and recommend you for job posting. So I would definitely like to tell students that LinkedIn is the best job portal or platform which you can use to find out your dream job and do networking. Via LinkedIn, you can search for jobs while building connections. You can find opportunities through network. You can apply for job with LinkedIn Easy Apply, and you can also set job alerts.